So I cut piece of cardboard 14 by 14 inch.
So the first thing we need to do, we need to decide where we're gonna put the fan. And second, we need to drill medium-sized hole from inside the van first, and make sure to have safety glass.
So guys, we are here up in the roof. So this is the one that I cut, the board that I cut. Put like screw in it, and I cut it from the middle. I do a hole. So now it's easy to see where's the hole is. So now it moves a little bit, doesn't matter. Move a little bit. So now I'm gonna mark down the line. Where's my pen? I make sure everything's straight. Then I mark it down, and the sun come. And I'm living in Florida, so the sun is really strong. Horrible, really strong. So that's it. Perfect. This is the line, as you see. After the hole, I make sure first. I should make sure at the beginning that my thing is perfect. 14.
So the right measurement for max air fan is 14 by 14 inch.
Yeah, 14. I should follow this line, and the line that I make like 1 and 8 extra. So I'm gonna follow. So as you see, my hole is small, so I need something like this to make me do this thing. And the sun beating me up here. I'm gonna finish fast. So that's it. And now with the jigsaw, actually the easiest is the jigsaw. It's really easy. I got already the AC before, so I know I have a little bit experience. So very good information. Make sure to put your jigsaw in the highest speed, because metal need really high speed to cut it smooth and easy.
And make sure after you cut it to sand the edges and to color them to not to get rust.
So we're done with the cut. I want to clean it a little bit, and that's it.
So next we need to put the frame in the hole. and try to make hole for the screwdriver, but make sure the hole is smaller a little bit than the screw that you're gonna put it. If you make them if you make it bigger, it doesn't work. So next we need to put some stickers. This like silicone type stickers. It's double side. You can find it at Amazon. The purpose of this to protect you very well from the water, to don't have any leak. So the next step, you need to apply silicone, but you need to use special silicone. This lab silicone, you can find it also on Amazon. You can find it in Home Depot and these stores. And make sure to get this type of silicone, because the normal silicone gonna make your fan leak in the future, because this silicone is special for vibration. And apply it all over around all over before you put the fan frame. And next I apply the fan frame, and make sure to have good amount of silicone before you apply it. And next, for this application, we need wood frame. You can do it by yourself or you can buy it ready. I did it by myself. So, and you apply it from the inside of the van and you clamp it. And the measurement for the wood frame should be 14 by 14 from inside. And next, I go back to the roof and I did some hole in the frame of the fan to the wood frame that I already made it. And then I screw it. Next, I put the fan, and make sure while you're putting the fan that the wire is in, not out, so not to damage them. And screw it from the far side, but make sure to screw it gently. And this is after a while, after the van is finished. So it worked perfect. It's been 2 years and it worked perfect.